Aloha, class. This is Brother Castillo. Hope everyone had a great week. We're in lesson 8 this week where we'll talk about failure, crisis management, organizational decision making, and leadership behavior. By way of the agenda, we'll start off with some Did You Know trivia. We'll do a wrap up of the last case. We'll discuss the lesson 8 objectives, the assignments due for lesson 8, the HO meeting this week, and one final thought. Did you know that the Rubik's Cube is the best-selling product of all time? The second is the iPhone. All right, let's do a wrap-up of the power of gratitude in organizations. Some of the lessons learned. As you discussed, gratitude can improve one's health. Intentionally reflect daily on that which you are grateful. That was another great takeaway from this lesson. And there are positive benefits to organizations and employee behavior when you express gratitude. All right, let's discuss the lesson 8 objectives, where we'll be talking about the Columbia mission. In this lesson, you'll enhance your understanding of organizational decision making and learning, as well as catastrophic failures. Understand how failures can evolve. Learn how to prevent failures in an organization. Examine how to manage crises effectively, and learn leadership behavior and how to build an organization that is less susceptible to significant preventable failures. Now, the assignments that are due by Tuesday, 11 p.m. Mountain Time, you do have a case study write-up for Columbia's final mission. Make sure you complete your readings. This week, you'll be reading the book, The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team, up to page 37. Personally, this is one of my favorite leadership books. If you haven't read it, it's a very easy read, and it's written in a fable format, which makes it quite entertaining. Due Saturday, 11 p.m. Mountain Time. Hopefully, you all have your case study HOA meetings wrapped up. Participate in the reading discussion postings. And again, remember, the sooner you post, the better. And also your self-assessment for the week. This week, I'll be meeting with groups 3 and 4 in the HOA meetings. Team leaders, remember to find the discussion link and record the meetings per the HOA instructions. One final thought. You can't expect to see change if you never do anything differently, by Meg Byram. All right, everyone, have a great week, and I'll see you online. Take care. Bye-bye.